Right now, you might feel like you're falling behind. Everyone around you seems to be moving forward. They're getting jobs, relationships, purpose. And you? You're stuck, confused, maybe even a little empty. You wake up, scroll your phone, go through your day. But deep down, there's this quiet question. What am I doing with my life? And the worst part, you don't even know where to start fixing it. If that's you, this video is going to explain exactly why you feel this way. And more importantly, how to get out of it.
Let's start with the truth nobody tells you. No one in their 20s actually has it all figured out. Not your friends, not those influencers on Instagram, not even the people who look successful. What you're seeing is a highlight reel. People only show the wins, the promotions, the vacations, the relationships, but they don't show the anxiety, the self-doubt, the nights they question everything. So, you compare your real life to someone else's edited version. And, of course, you feel lost. In your 20s, something strange happens. For the first time in your life, you have complete freedom. You can choose your career, your lifestyle, your identity. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the problem. Too many choices create paralysis. You start asking yourself, what career should I pick? Where should I live? Who should I become? And suddenly, instead of feeling free, you feel overwhelmed. This is called identity overload, and it's one of the biggest reasons you feel lost, because you're not just choosing a path, you're choosing who you are.
Most people think they're making conscious decisions, but in reality, they're just repeating patterns. Think about your daily life. You wake up and check your phone. You follow routines you didn't question. You chase goals you didn't fully choose. A lot of your life is running on autopilot. You're doing what you were told. Go to school, get a job, be successful. But no one ever asked you, what do you actually want? So you end up living a life that looks fine from the outside, but feels empty on the inside.
Here's something people don't talk about enough. Your 20s can be incredibly lonely. You lose touch with old friends. Everyone moves to different cities. Relationships change. And suddenly, you don't have that same support system anymore. Even when you're surrounded by people, you can still feel alone. Because connection isn't about proximity, it's about understanding. And a lot of people in their 20s feel like, no one really gets me. That loneliness, it amplifies everything. Your doubts, your fears, your feeling of being lost. Somewhere along the way, you were given an invisible timeline. By 22, graduate. By 25, stable job. By 30, successful life. But here's the truth. That timeline is completely made up. Life doesn't follow a script. Some people succeed early. Some people take longer. Some people completely change paths at 35 or 45. But when you believe you're behind, you start panicking. You rush decisions. You chase things that aren't right for you. And that only makes you feel more lost.
Now, let's talk about what actually helps. Not fake motivation, not just stay positive, real practical shifts. 1. Stop trying to have it all figured out. You're not supposed to. Your 20s are for experimenting, trying things, failing, learning. 2. Start paying attention to what energizes you, not what impresses others, not what looks good on paper, but what makes you feel alive. Create space to think. If you're always distracted, you'll never hear your own thoughts. Take time to be alone, reflect, journal, walk without your phone. 4. Accept that feeling lost is part of the process. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're just in a phase of growth. And growth is uncomfortable.
So if you feel lost right now, good. That means you're questioning. That means you're aware. That means you're not just blindly following a path that isn't yours. Because the truth is, the people who never feel lost
are usually the ones who never really find themselves. But you're in the middle of that journey. And one day, you're going to look back at this phase and realize this is where everything started to make sense. If this video made you feel understood, subscribe. Because sometimes the feelings you can't explain are the ones we all share.